We're also hearing from experts about how the Supreme Court's ruling might impact us here in North Carolina. CBS 17's Sonica Bargo joins us live. And Sonica, you spoke to a political science professor. What did he tell you?
Yeah, Angela, NC State professor Stephen Green tells me it's actually not clear how this is going to impact us or the rest of the country. But he did know it's important to say that the Supreme Court's ruling did not take a position on birthright citizenship itself.
I want to just be the completely unhelpful political science professor and say it's complicated.
But it is complicated, says NC State political science professor Stephen Green. The Supreme Court Friday delivered a ruling on a case involving President Donald Trump's executive order aimed at getting rid of birthright citizenship.
Which sounds like, wow, birthright citizenship is going away.
That's not what happened, Green says.
What the Supreme Court ruled is that a single federal judge cannot make a nationwide policy ruling against the government.
The ruling does appear to let Trump's executive order move forward. That order denies automatic citizenship to children born to parents who are not U.S. citizens or legal residents. But Green says even that's harder than it seems.
How exactly the Trump administration will look to enforce this, whether that gets enforced one way in red states that want to cooperate versus blue states that don't.
In North Carolina, Attorney General Jeff Jackson said Friday people still have the right to full citizenship, and he's prepared to defend it.
A Democratic governor, a Democratic attorney general who would not at all be interested in trying to cooperate.
Green says the biggest impact of Friday's ruling is limiting the court's ability to balance the president.
It really does seem to free up President Trump to be able to do more.
And Green also tells me birthright citizenship as a practice will probably come up before the Supreme Court again. He says it's unlikely justices will rule against it. Live in Raleigh, Sonica Bargo. Angela, back to you.
All right, Sonica, thank you.